Good afternoon, children. How are you? How are you, children? I hope all of you safe at home. Don't go outside, children. Why? Because outside situation not good. No? So that's why you stay at home only. Okay? Don't go outside. Are you reading, children, at home? Are you reading every day? You should reading and writing. You practice everything. You practice, children. Maths. And EVS also, English, Telugu and Hindi. So whatever subjects are there, these all subjects you should practice at home, children. In previous class EVS already explained national festivals. I hope all of you understood that. Now I am going to explain what is that pollution. Another lesson, pollution. Pollution are different types are there. Water pollution is there, and air pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. So many types of pollutions are there. First one is the, what is the, children? Water pollution. Water pollution. And second one, what is this? Air pollution. Air pollution. And third one is land pollution and noise pollution. Four types of pollutions are there in our country. First, we are discussing about what is that water pollution. Water is the very important, children. Why? Because whenever we are drinking water, on that time you should drink purity water, clean water. You should drink, children. Otherwise, what will do, children? Whenever you in the school, at home also, some children, what they are doing, no, water is dirty water, but they are not seeing directly. They are drinking water, but that water is not good. Means water pollution in villages. Lakes and ponds are there, na? In the ponds also, what they are drinking in pond water. In villages, in village peoples, what are they doing, children? Ponds are there, na? In the ponds water only they are drinking, but that water is not purity. Like that only, like they are drinking pond water. In the pond, what is it? The village peoples, what they are doing in the pond? Washing the clothes. And buffaloes are there, na? Buffaloes also, they are washing in that pond only, and washing the clothes in that pond only. And bathing also, they are doing bathing in that pond also. These many things, all things they are doing in that pond only, but that in that pond water only they are drinking. But that is good, na? No, that is the not good. Whenever you drinking water, you should first you will take what is that purity water, and clean water only you should take, and you drink water. On the time you should take clean and purity water, children. Why? Because otherwise what happen next? That water is going in our stomach, no? So whenever you drinking dirty water, so your stomach is damaged. So that's why what I am saying, children, listen carefully. Purity and clean. Whenever you drinking water in home also, some children's hands are there, na? Small children, they are not cleaning hands directly. They are going to kitchen and taking water and immediately drinking the water. That is the not good. That is good, na? Not good. Yes. First, what will do, children? Wash your hands first. First, wash your hands and after take the glass and you will take water. That is the good children. Some children are not washing hands directly. They are taking what is that glass of water. Water is the very important in our daily life. Morning breakfast completed, after we will take what is that water, and in middle of the day, what is that tiffin and lunch is there, na? In the middle of tiffin and lunch is on the time also we will take water, and lunch completed after we will take what is that water. So in our daily life water is the very important. From morning onwards and up to evening, we are going to bed, up to evening we are drinking, so many times we are drinking water, no? So this drinking water is a very important. So that drinking is, whenever we are drinking water, so that water is the going to in our stomach. That water not good, no? If not good means what will do, what happened after in our stomach? In our stomach, damaged in our stomach. Whenever you drinking clean water, our health is good, our stomach is good. Okay, children. And what is that? In villages also, first don't drink pond water, children. All are doing things in the pond only. Washing hands, washing clothes, washing buffaloes. They are bathing in that pond only. So they are using, doing like this, these things in that pond only. So that is the not good. Here, children, in the book, some pictures are there here. Watch first, just observe, children. Here, this picture, just observe, children. Here, this is the, what is this river means and pond like this. But here, so much dirty is there here. Clear, na? Once observe this picture here. So here water is there, and in the water only so much dirty is. This is not good, no. Whenever you observe, whenever you going to some places, no, so on the time you just observe, children. These type of don't encourage, children. Whenever you using waste, that waste is garbages means dustbins are their side. So in that dustbins you throw the waste in the dustbin only, children. Don't use like this. This is not good, children. In our surroundings, keep clean every time. You keep clean in your surroundings. That is the very important in your surroundings. For example, your house is there. In your house, very dirty is there in your house. No, no. So like whenever you going to another places also, like you first you seeing first. Okay, children, but that is the not good in your house. You cleaning furnitures and floor, like all your mother cleaning in your house. So like you also help your mother na at home. Are you helping or not? So like your surroundings also keep neatly, children. And near to your houses, some ponds, lakes are there. So that ponds also keep neatly. Every time you keep neatly. Okay. And here water pollution. No, water is the very important. Why? Because every time we are drinking water. Water is the very important. From morning onwards, we are using many times water, children. bathing, for bathing we are using water. Brushing, for brushing we are using water. Okay, drinking, for drinking purpose we are using water. And your home mother is there, mother cooking the food now, so cooking purpose also your mother also cooking food now, so for cooking purpose also we are using water. Okay, like morning onwards and up to evening many times we are using water, drinking purpose and our hands washing purpose, and clothes, our clothes are there na, washing, our clothes we are washing now, so that purpose also we are using water. So like so many times we are using water. So that's why what I am saying, children, listen carefully. Here water is the very important. Okay, don't pollute the water, don't pollute the water. Near to your home ponds, lakes are there, so that ponds, lakes also don't pollute the water. You should always clean, you drink water, clean water only. Okay children. And next is here air pollution is there, air pollution and land pollution and noise pollution. So these three are there na. After another video I will explain that one. Okay children, first this one water pollution. First here page number, what is this course book page number is 71 children, 71 this page and 72 page, just you read lesson. Okay, 71 and 72, these two pages you read. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Next class, part 2 class I will explain next part 2. Okay children, take care, bye bye.